Hello from the RADE garage. Today we would like to present you the benefits of the bar mount for the Garmin or any similar navigation device for the enduro bikes. Typically, on enduro bikes like EXC 690 701 without any navigation tower, it's difficult to mount here any navigation device. We simply replaced the original handlebar clamps with our bar mount. The bar adapter mount consists of the handlebar clamps that are compatible with any KTM motorbike and the top plate. The top plate as well as the bar adapters are nicely CNC milled on our machine next door, and they are made from high-end aluminum. The adapter is ready directly for the Garmin cradle that can be mounted horizontally or vertically, and it fits as well with the ram mount. The main benefit of the RG bar mount is use of these small silent blocks. These small silent blocks will prevent the vibrations from the motorbike going into your device. So with our bar mount, your device will be more safe. In the end, it is very simple but also elegant platform where you can fit directly your Garmin device or ram mount. We believe you can put there easily also any other navigation. And because of the silent blocks that reduce the vibrations, your device is more safe. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.